Hey guys, Glenn here. Today we're reviewing the MUNBYN thermal label printer. This label printer is inkless technology. There's no cartridges and no ribbons, as well as it works with Bluetooth and you can plug it in the old school way. I'm going to open up the box, I'm going to show you what's in it, show you how to set it up, and ultimately give you the opinion if you should purchase it or not. My last label printer lasted a very long time, and the only reason it broke is because my own stupidity. Don't clean it the wrong way. And MUNBYN was nice enough to send me a free unit for me to test out and see if I like it. If you do want to purchase this label printer, there will be an affiliate link down below. Here it is, the MUNBYN thermal label printer. I might be saying MUNBYN completely wrong. It could be MUNBYN, I have no idea, but through email it's very hard to actually figure that out. But this is the number. It's the Real Writer 402B. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Got easy access to the app. You could just scan this and the app will come up in the Apple Store or the Google Store. You got your documentation. You have free labels to start. Looks like about 8 of them or something. Very neatly packaging. Take this out. Here it is. Very, very nicely packaged. It's got that Apple vibe to it. Ta-da! Yeah, not bad. Comes with a test label. They tested it before they sent it out. That's always a good sign. You got your top button here that pretty much everyone has, and then you got the on-off and the same connections. Most of these are very similar, but this one's probably the sleekest that I've ever reviewed. Then in this box, we have the power cord extension, and USB-C to USB-C, which is actually very interesting. This is the first one that is USB-C to USB-C that I've discovered. Which means if you want to use this with a regular USB, that's fine. It comes with an adapter. Let's plug her in and see how she works. All right, I got it plugged in. Let's load the labels. There's a button right here that pops it up. The self-test tells you everything you need to know. Let's load the labels in like this. Now I can put a little past, see if it comes back. Turn it on. Look at that. Doesn't even waste a label. Very nice. Now let's put the software in and see how fast it prints. Now guys, check this out. As soon as I plugged it in, which is super cool, usually you have to go to a website or have to plug in USB or something. This just comes up with driver download instantly. I didn't do nothing, it just came up on my computer. Let's click it and see what happens. That's actually pretty cool. Went right to this website. I have a Windows, so we're gonna hit Windows. It goes download. That was super easy. That's actually the easiest one I ever had. So let's install the driver. I click yes. English. Okay, I can't move this. It's in the middle of my screen, but it says, please ensure the printer is connected and turned on. Confirm. I'm gonna just do USB for now. Install. And then printer has been installed. Click finish, and it should work. Let's find out. All right, so I downloaded this fake label to show you the print so that my customers aren't exposed on my YouTube channel. But let's click print and see what happens. Instant. Okay, now we're gonna test the Bluetooth capability, which you're gonna be super impressed. I would assume, because I was super impressed, as well as their app, which their app is actually quite amazing, and check it out. It has a lot of capabilities. Okay, so I just downloaded MUNBYN print, and we're gonna open it up. We're gonna click the printer that we have, which is the 402B. Connect. I agree, whatever. You're always gonna agree, aren't you? Okay, this will show you how to do it. Click create new tag to make a new tag. Okay, so you can make your own label if you want to through here, which is pretty cool. Set printer density and quality, and then click print. Okay. Let's see how it works through Bluetooth. This is the settings, speed, density. We'll just leave it stock for now. Let's put some text on here. Hello world. Alright, now let's see how it prints. Click print, request for permissions, I permit the permissions. I gotta click allow, click on the device, pair, and now we're connected. So now the print button over here is lit up. So let's hit print, and it is instantly printing out of paper, which we are. Okay, so as you can see, we're out of paper, and it actually prints very clear, and warns you that the paper's out. That is awesome. None of the other ones do that I've tried, as far as I know. Now, I'm super impressed that you can make your own label. You can also download your label from Etsy and print out on your phone if you want to do that. Usually I use my computer, so I don't use Bluetooth very often, but if my computer was down or something, I would have to. So it's awesome that this is, you're able to do this. You can also print custom things that aren't even to your business. You know, like this Hello World. You can make your own label and print it. Super neat, super good for stickers if you're going to do stickers with this. Very happy about the app. It works awesome, and not only that, it's super fast. It took you know, less than a second, probably maybe 1 Mississippi total tops, and then a lot of other ones I test actually take like 30 seconds sometimes with Bluetooth for some reason. So the Bluetooth is super fast in this unit, the fastest of every single one I've ever tested. Huge. So this printer works great. It has a sleek design. It's well packaged. It's pretty cheap. Comes with free labels. Was the easiest to set up that I've ever set up, which is really cool. I didn't even expect it to just pop up and give me the website to go to download the thing. So would I recommend this one? Yes, for sure. It's not too loud. You know, it's a label printer that works great so far. You know, hopefully it lasts as long as my last label printer that you know, I broke by accident. But you know, I'm sure it will. This one is like really heavy duty, which makes me feel like it's gonna last a long time. It's not like light. Like I review a lot of ones that are super light, you just pick it up and there's nothing in it. This one seems like it's actually heavy. And also, I mean, it's the most technologically advanced so far. If you don't have a label printer at all, you need one. If you have a label printer and you're looking to upgrade, definitely this is the one, in my opinion, because you're not missing any features in anything. As well as you should always have a backup printer, because when my first label printer broke, I did not have a backup, and my packages were a couple days late, which is definitely not good if you're doing Etsy or something like that. So definitely have a backup printer just in case. It's worth the extra couple bucks to not have a hit on your business. You need to make sure your packages are never late. But if you want to purchase this one, link down below. Please like this video, and please subscribe to this channel if you like content like this. YouTube thinks that you should watch this video next. Have a good day.